Starting from June 2020, Qlik NPrinting supports Qlik Sense custom themes. In this example, we are going to import a custom theme into Qlik Sense. Then, we apply the custom theme to this specific Qlik Sense app. As you can see, when you open the app, the new theme has been applied to Qlik Sense. Now in Qlik NPrinting, we will create a connection to this Qlik Sense app. So we will copy and paste the proxy address and the app ID to enable the connection. Insert the user identity and then click Run Verification to verify the connection. You will see that you now have a new checkbox for Apply Sense App Theme that is enabled by default. Once we've created the connection, we will create a report. We select PowerPoint and then select the app we have previously created. Once we've created the report, click on Edit Template. In this example, we are going to add only the dashboard sheet as an image. When done, click on Preview. As you can see, the Qlik Sense theme is now applied to the Qlik NPrinting report. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.